Welcome guys in another video. My plan changed, to be honest.
Basically, I supposed to go with the new Riku. Maybe you know him. I will drop his Instagram somewhere here. Basically, we wanted to go to Notting Hill, and the issue is there is a strike of the TfL and all. So for me, it's just impossible almost to go there. So we had to cancel the plans. Yeah, let me just pack the camera and stuff. I will probably use 85mm and maybe 35mm. Maybe I can take some macro reflection shots, if you can call it like this. So yeah, let me just pack the camera and let's go. Okay, so we finally made it, and the first photo I wanna take will be here, but I'm thinking how to do it because I have the reflections here. And maybe I can use it somehow. I will put autofocus. See if it worked. I will take one more in the landscape. Let me try to focus on the guy and bump up the ISO. I'm also using the polarizer and ND in the same time, but I have to change it.
Why don't we go?
I think because the ND will not help me at all. The photos are, for the beginning, not that bad, to be honest, as a reflection. And I see one more shot here. Maybe I'll shoot it in the landscape as a street shot. Let me focus. Use the polarizer and shoot in I'll take one more using these as a leading lines. Let me drop the ISO to 100 and shoot it in f1.8 to get the more blurry foreground. Thinking to take the photo of this taxi. Yes, it's gonna be sick, but the lady is not helping, to be honest. I hope I got it with the blinking lights. Yes, I did. Okay guys, so we got some paddles. One is here and others are here, but the only issue is, as you can see maybe on the screen, it's windy, so they are kind of moving, and I don't know what kind of reflection I will take with it, but let's see what we can do. Let me focus on the paddle itself maybe, so I will have reflection, and especially its macro lens, it will be much easier for me to focus. And I missed the shot, which was sick, so I need to wait for some car, maybe white taxi will do. have no clue if it worked. And I think I'll shoot it in the landscape, I mean not portrait. Let me keep this extremely low. So f2.8. f2.8, 250 of the second, 200 ISO. Okay guys, so I'm extremely lucky. As you can see, the guy in front of me, I can take nice banger of him, however you wanna call it. Am I on the manual? No, I'm not. And we cut out reflections. I take one more, I think. Okay, cool. That's sick. So the shot was done in f2.8, 400 ISO, and 160 of the second, and another one which is from the lower angle was same 160 of the second, f2.8, 400 ISO. I think guys, for today that's it. I will go home, I will edit the stuff, and I'll catch you in a second. I think that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know down in the comments how did you like it. I was lucky because I went to record the video when it was literally after the rain, so I took some couple of shots. You let me know down, like I said, in the comments if you like them. Regarding the presets that I'm using now, I will let you know probably next month about them, because I'm still working on them and I'm working on my own website. And I think that's it. I have nothing else to say, to be honest, because I'm shit in this. I'm terrible in ending the videos and stuff like this, so I just see you in the next one. I'm your Moody guy, and Merry Christmas.